Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be bringing the 4x4 down to earth. So we're going to lower the stock suspension on the Accord today. I'm just going to take it to the fitment center. Unfortunately, I can't do it myself because I don't have the place to actually do the fitment here at home, so I'm gonna have to take it somewhere to fit it professionally. So I already got it booked in. I'm on the way there now. As you can see guys, I didn't do an unboxing for this, but a lot of you guys are aware of the ARC coilovers for this car. Kind of a budget coilover, but I heard good things about it, and that's the reason I've actually gone with ARC for now. At a later stage, if I do need additional dampening and all of that, and camber adjustments and those type of things, I will look into other coilovers at a later stage. But just for now, as I'll just run around, no track use or anything like that, no racing. I'm going to be using the ARC coilover range. I believe this is a superior range. I think that's what S stands for. So this is the ARC coilovers for the CL9 Accord. Once again, shout out to Shaba Mags for giving me a good deal on the coilovers and for sending it quite quickly to me. So stick around guys, we're gonna do the fitment today. I'll take a few pictures and all of that at the fitment center. So see you later. Hi guys, almost at the fitment center. Just a few meters more.
Your destination is on the left.
I'm at the fitment center guys. Guys, on the ramp guys. Last time that the car is gonna be so high. Let's see how it goes.